Everybody wants flawless skin without any marks, scars, and pigmentation. But wait, is that so easy to achieve? I don't think so. But I have something for you which will make your journey to flawless skin super easy. There we go. And here comes Oxyrich Capsules from Preserva Wellness. So the brand believes that pure is potent. Therefore, they ensure that each customer gets to experience the power of Ayurveda with the promise of purity. They use golden herb turmeric medicinal component curcumin known to have curative properties. The exact use of Oxyrich capsules are as antioxidants, blood purifier, reduces acne, scars, skin pigmentations, anti-aging, and lot more to it. And cheers to my glowing skin and healthy body. Now what are you waiting for? Go and grab your bottle of goodness.